This is a tractor vehicle and the roof comes off the top. Oh no, that's fallen down. I'm sorry to say. But I can fix that. There we go. The scoop goes up and down, up and up. And you can push things away like that. And finally, my favorite part, the rocky, strong wheels. That plow over mud and rocks and stones and work all day.